The AUTONEEDZ Heavy Duty Degreaser is a powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle tough grease and grime. This product is specifically formulated for heavy-duty applications and offers excellent cleaning performance. With a 1:15 dilution ratio, this degreaser can be mixed with water to create a potent cleaning solution. This dilution allows for effective cleaning while ensuring that the product lasts longer, making it a cost-effective choice. The AUTONEEDZ Heavy Duty Degreaser is known for its strong cleaning ability. It can effortlessly remove stubborn grease, oil, dirt, and other contaminants from various surfaces, including engines, machinery, tools, floors, and more. Whether you're dealing with automotive parts, industrial equipment, or household surfaces, this degreaser is up to the task. Additionally, this product features a non-slippery formula. It helps to reduce the risk of accidents by maintaining traction on the surfaces being cleaned. This is especially important in industrial settings where safety is paramount. Furthermore, the AUTONEEDZ Heavy Duty Degreaser is formulated with a quick-drying formula. After cleaning, the product evaporates rapidly, leaving behind a clean and dry surface. This feature saves time and allows for quicker turnaround, especially in situations where immediate use or further work is required. Overall, the AUTONEEDZ Heavy Duty Degreaser offers a powerful cleaning solution with a 1:15 dilution ratio, strong cleaning ability, non-slippery formula, and quick-drying properties. It is a reliable choice for heavy-duty degreasing tasks, providing efficient and effective cleaning results.